Welcome back to Literature with Sasha. In today's video, we are diving into an essential topic for all aspiring researchers and literature's fan, the documentation of research in English literature. Whether you are writing your thesis, an academic paper, or just exploring literary analysis, understanding how to document your research is the key to maintain integrity and ensuring your work is credible. So grab your notebook and let's explore the art of documenting research in literature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things literary. Introduction. Research methodology in English literature is an essential aspect of any scholarly work, serving as the backbone for producing sound academic papers and thesis projects. While the research methodology refers to the systematic approach employed to gather, analysis, and interpret data, the documentation of research plays a crucial role in ensuring the transparency, authenticity, and integrity of research process. In this video, we will explore the significance of documenting research in English literature, including its best practice, challenges, and tools. Documentation in research. Documentation is a vital component of the research process in English literature. It serves to record sources, evidence, methodologies, and conclusion in a structured way, making it easier for future researchers to verify and build upon the work. Why documentation is essential? Proper documentation not only ensures academic integrity but also provides a roadmap for researchers to follow, preventing the loss of critical insights or overlooked sources. It also helps researchers keep track of various ideas, arguments, and viewpoints. Benefits through documentation. Credibility. Properly documented research lends credibility to the study, demonstrating a thorough understanding of subject. Transparency. Well documented research allows others to follow your thoughts, process, and verify the sources. Efficiency. Organized documentation make it easier to write, edit, and revise academic work. Types of documentation in research methodologies. There are various sources and types of documentation employed during research. Understanding them is a crucial for an effective and systematic approach to research. Primary documentation sources, secondary documentation sources, tertiary documentation sources. Number 1. Primary sources include original texts such as novels, plays, poems, diaries, and letters. These are the foundational materials used in literary research. Number 2. Secondary sources are vital analysis, commentaries, and interpretations of the primary material, such as academic journals, articles, books, and essays. Tertiary sources include encyclopedias, dictionaries, and bibliographies, which provide background information and help locate primary and secondary sources. In documenting research in English literature, number 1. Organizing the research process. The first steps in documenting research is to establish a research question or thesis. Afterward, researcher can create a timeline, allocate resources, and begin the process of collecting relevant materials. Number 2. Collecting sources and materials. Researchers should systematically gather both primary and secondary sources, keeping track of every citation in a proper format. Citation and referencing method. Proper citation is critical to ensure that all borrowed ideas are credited correctly. The two most common citation style in English literatures are MLA, Modern Language Association, and Chicago style. Both systems have specific rules for citing books, articles, and other materials. Tools for documentation in research. Number 1. Citation management software. Number 2. Manual documentation techniques. Number 3. Online databases and journals. Best practices for documenting research in English literature. Number 1. Creating a clear research framework. Establishing a research framework will help guide the collection of sources and data. It is important to stay focused on the research question and be organized in your approach. Number 2. Ensuring accuracy in citation. Always double check your citation to ensure they are formatted correctly and accurately reflect the sources. This can prevent unintentional plagiarism. Number 3. Using standardized documentation format. Adhering to established citation format ensures uniformity and allow others to understand and replicate your research process. Challenges in documentation. While documenting research may seem straightforward, several challenges can arise. Issues with plagiarism. Plagiarism, whether intentional or unintentional, can severely impact the quality and authenticity of research. Ensuring proper citation and paraphrasing is crucial to avoid plagiarism. Number 2. Citations. Inconsistent citation style. Different academic institutions may require different citation style, leading to confusion. Handling multiple sources and references, documenting large volume of data and managing multiple sources can be overwhelming. Citation management tool can assist with this. The importance of clear and concise documentation. Clarity in documentation not only improves the accessibility of research but also ensures that your findings are communicated effectively to your audience. Digital versus traditional documentation method. Pros and cons of digital tools. Digital tools offers convenience, speed and efficiency, but some may argue that handwritten notes provide a deeper connection to research material. The importance of handwritten notes in research. While digital tools are essential, handwritten notes encourages a more intimate interaction with material, often leading to deeper insights. Ethical consideration in documenting research. Maintaining accuracy and honesty in documenting sources and ideas is essential to the ethical conduct of research. Academic honesty and credibility. Being transparent about your sources ensures that your work remains credible and trustworthy. Conclusion. Documentation is a critical aspect of research methodology in English literature. It ensures that the research process is transparent, credible, and verifiable. By following best practices, using the right tools, and adhering to ethical guidelines, researchers can ensure that their work remains high quality and impactful. That's all for today's discussion on research documentation in English literature. I hope you found these tips helpful and insightful. Remember, proper documentation not only helps maintain academic integrity but also keep your research process organized and efficient. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Literature with Sasha for more literary tips and discussion. Feel free to leave any question or thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, happy researching.